Hello guys, good morning. Today we are seeing a rear tipping semi-trailer has hooked up with the truck head. This is the truck head and that's the semi-trailer. The reason we call it semi-trailer, it is because it is semi hooked up with the truck. So it's just half of them. We have modified the hydraulic system like this to the front. This is the hydraulic oil pipes, and those are the pipes connecting to the power takeoff and the oil pump, and that's hydraulic cylinder. That triangle steel bar is hooking up those pipes in case those pipes are up and down and touching those angle steels and getting damaged. Here is the connection of the air line and the braking line to the front, and in the front we have the nameplate and another nameplate for the China domestic market, and over there is it's an ABS light and there are ABS socket. Here is the connection of the kingpin and the fifth wheel. This is the main beam. Here we can see the side wall of the dumping trailer. This is the landing gear. Here is the reduce of the truck and trailer we were talking about. You see here, this is the gap between the landing gears. So when you are turning it, so you need to make sure the light, this light is not touching to the landing gear. So we leave enough space from the kingpin to the landing gear. It is usually 2.2 meters, and we leave enough space from the kingpin to the front booster. It is usually 900 or 500 millimeter. In case when you are turning, this angle and that angle hitting the cab. Okay. We put the toolbox in the middle of the landing gears so you can put something inside. This is the side protection. Here is the mud guard, and is a tire and axle. Axle is our brand made from our axle factory. Here is the suspension. Here we have the rear guard. Rear guard, you can see the reflector plate and the locking device at here, and the locking device is holding the rear door. But when you are tipping to the front, when this is tipping up, the chain is moving and then the lock is open and the gate is open, so you can dump the cargo inside. Inside we put a canvas. We put a canvas inside so you can modify it after it arrives to the destination. Here it says the drop side height is 600 millimeter. To go to the front, we can see it is a side wall, landing gear, and same at the other side. That's a bulkhead. Someone call it front wall. This is bulkhead. And this is the ladder you can climb to the top, and that's the hydraulic cylinder. Here we leave a base for the electronic cameras. You can see those bases are prepared for the electronic cameras. The cameras can cover to the top. When the rain weather, you can protect your cargo inside. Okay, I think that would be enough for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy our video today, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.